So where you live now?
I'm in London, sunny London.
This won't take a second. Why don't you find a good backdrop there, Jason? The sun will be a bit much there, but doesn't matter to me. You can get that back off the sign over there if you like. So TM4, that works. Doesn't matter. Yeah.
And when, what are you going to use the content for again? So you're going to splice it, but is it any of it going up somewhere during the show, after the show?
Yeah, as soon as we get it up.
We have a YouTube channel that we post our reviews.
You need to take a couple steps back, if that's okay.
Notify me if it's going up?
Sure.
Yeah, take another step back. And about half a more step back. I got a new lens on this thing, that's perfect. So you'll be able to hear him just fine. You know what, I don't want to. Okay, you're good to go.
We're here with Ernest Morgita, the VP of Marketing for Tribold. Ernest, can you describe the challenges that operators have in overcoming some time-to-market issues for new service launches?
Yeah, I mean the challenges that we see in the market are all about how do we take an idea and implement those ideas in a really rapid way. You know, both from an IT and from a market perspective. Take an idea right through its launch, build, test cycle. And they're seeing huge amounts of competitive pressure. You know, time to market is coming down. You know, Google's launching 9 products a week. You know, our industry is used to maybe 9 products a year in a good year. You know, we need to be far more agile and far more rapid in our response to time to market.
We hear a lot about the concept of product agility and the way at which OTTs are able to launch new services. Can you talk about, with respect to Tribold, the ability of network operators to realistically achieve that same level of service agility as the OTTs?
Yeah, certainly. I mean, we're seeing that with customers like Sky here in the UK. That their pressure from over the top players from the TV services is tremendous. It is now possible to get very similar services that they provide, from a range of different providers. So in response, what they've seen, instead of providing 12 to 18-month-long packages, they need to be offering much more dynamic, content directly to their customers. And some of those are customers that don't have traditional subscriptions. They're simple, pay-per-view type services. So they need to be much more responsive. They're using our technologies to basically break the mold around how product delivery was done in the past. Use the assets in their library, reuse those things as fast as possible, get those through a cycle and into their systems really quickly. And they've been able to take about 75% out of their time to market by doing that.
So the keynote today talked about the tremendous opportunity that operators have to serve the enterprise. Can you talk about the opportunity for the keynotes talked about the tremendous opportunity that network operators have to address the enterprise. Can you talk about what Tribold is doing to help operators tap into that opportunity?
Yeah, I mean, enterprise is a big space for us. We've seen it, traditionally it's been quite a badly managed space from a product perspective. A lot of products are bespoke built for their customers. When large banks or airlines come to an enterprise provider, they build a new product set to match them, their managed networks, etc. What we're trying to do for those guys is create a productized version of those things. Create a unique productized version of an enterprise product for an enterprise customer. Help them get that in their hands much more quickly and reuse things again as fast as possible.
A few of the announcements that Tribold made for this show at the TM Forum were around integrating your capabilities into the end-to-end OSS offerings of an Alcatel-Lucent, for example, or Tech Mahindra. Can you talk about the kind of the niche you fill there and what Tribold brings to the table in terms of helping these folks build out their comprehensive offering.
Yeah, I mean, partners are tremendously important for us. We work with Microsoft, Alcatel, and Techmakinja, as you've named. What they're looking for in a partner is someone that they can work with that sits inside their existing ecosystem. They have a billing, or in some cases a stable of billing vendors that they work with, a CRM supplier, an ordering platform. They need something that sits across those and produces that product agility. They can work with all of those systems, is experienced with working with those systems, and can actually offer a different type of system rather than a traditional end-to-end suite. It's a unique best-of-breed suite that those guys are looking for.
And you made an announcement at the show regarding integrating the Tribold solution into Microsoft Azure. You made an announcement at today's show regarding integrating Tribold's technologies into the Microsoft Azure platform. Can you talk about that partnership and how you're going to help Microsoft become a more agile player in the telecom space?
Yeah, sure. Microsoft is a great partner of ours. We've been working with them since we began the company. Our platform's built on Microsoft. Azure really is a significant milestone for us. Moving our product into the cloud and into the Azure cloud, provides resilience, it provides flexibility for us. It also gives us that the strength, the industrial strength standard of the cloud that they can provide. We can pop up a cloud and for our customers in any part of the world. We've got customers in Angola to Azerbaijan. We can pop up cloud instances very, very quickly for those guys. It helps in our time to market, and it also helps our customers know that they're getting a trusted service provider, both from a product perspective, but also from a technology platform